Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing good at home. And whatever exercise we have done in the last class, that also you have completed nicely without facing any problem. I think so. And the problem which you have faced, I think we have talked on that in the online classes. I think now no problem is there with you all. So students, I think the HCF already we have completed and LCM is going to be completed, I think, in two more classes. Today also we are going to discuss on LCM only. We are going to move on, okay, further with some new things in LCM like prime factorization by LCM method. Okay, that we are going to do. So I am hoping that the last whatever we have did, that you all have completed very nicely. Otherwise it will be create trouble for you to do the further exercise. So last one is very much required, and I can say it was very important. And if you have not completed, please go and watch the video and then complete it. Okay, and if still problem, you will come in the classes and then we will solve together. So I think you all have not forgotten what was LCM. LCM means the least common multiple, yes, or the lowest common multiplier, sorry. So in that what we used to do, there where I have explained you three kind of method: the listing method, the factor tree method, and the continuous division method. What when you have done the exercise, you must got aware of that which one is required for you and which one you can apply, then it will be easier, and with which process you have to do. But these three all are important. You have to keep all these three in your mind. Okay, and in all the three ways, when you are doing, you will get the same answer. It is not like that in the first way I'm getting the answer something different, in the second I'm getting different. No, it is not like that. In all the three ways you will get the same answer. It's just that the ways are different ways are there, okay, which you have to follow up and then you have to do. See, if you have forgotten, then again I would like to explain you. LCM means the least common multiple, okay, or the lowest common multiple. Least or lowest will be there only, and common multiple is same. Okay, that common means when two or more numbers are given, then only you can find out the common. Okay, if only one number is there, then no common you can find out in that. Okay, common means then maybe two or three or more than two three numbers are given to you. In between that, when you are writing all the multiples of that, the least number we are taking out of from the number given, and that least is the lowest common or the least common multiple of that particular whatever the number is given, which we have already discussed in the last class. Okay, how we used to find out the least common multiple. Today what we have to discuss is LCM using prime factorization. How we used to prime factorization, this word you have heard? Yes, in HCF we have done this prime factorization. Continuously we are dividing the number till the last when we are not getting the quotient as 1. Till that time continuous division was there. In the same way we have to do here also in the LCM. But there when we were doing, and then we were getting the highest common factor, but here the least common multiple we have to get now. So what we will do, just see. This was the listing method which we have talked in the last class. Again I'm just giving a recap. Like 12 and 32 is there, all the factors of that I have written, all the factors of 12. So maybe the question is arising, means why you have not written the factors of 32? Only three factors you have written, whereas the factor of 12 we have written so many, sorry, multiples of 12 we have written so many multiples, but the multiples of 32 only three multiples we have written, because in that three multiples only I have got the common between them. So no need to write further. Okay, so common is 96 I have got, so that 96 only the least common multiple between 12 and 32. No need to go further. As here we have done till we have read the table till 8, or we have written the multiple till 8 or 9. So here also we will write the multiples till 8 and 9. No need to do that. If in 3 only I have already said, if when you are writing the multiples, if in the beginning you are getting in 1 or 2, whatever the multiples you have written, in that only you are getting the common, least common one, then that is only the common multiple. No need to go further in that. Okay, so 96 is the least common multiple of 12 and 32. But this is not the prime factorization. Now we will find the LCM of 12 and 32. How to find the LCM using the prime factorization of these two numbers. Before that, which we have done, that was the listing method. But now we have to do with the prime factorization. See. When we have to find the LCM of 12 as well as 32, prime in red and composite in blue means what? That prime and composite number we have already learned. We have already gone through what is the prime and what is the composite number. So 12 and 6 is the composite number, whereas 2, 2 and 3 are the prime numbers. How we have got this? We have just written the factors of 12. Factors of 12, that is 2 and 6 was the factor of 12 that I have written. 2 is in its least form, so no need to do the further division, but 6 is not in its least form. So again we will see that what are the factors of 6, and the factors of 6 is 2 and 3, so that we will write. Okay, so the red one is the prime number, whereas the blue ones are the composite numbers. Okay, what we have done this we have done, okay, according to the prime factorization only. This is only the prime factorization. Here you can say that this is factor tree has been made. Okay, in the same way we used to the prime factorization. Just see. Likewise, you can see in this question which I have opened, 12 and 32 is written. This I have done with the factor tree method. Okay. After that prime factorization, what I have done, you can see by doing the factor tree method, the numbers which I have got here, like the factors which I have got, like 2, 2, the factor of 32 which I have got, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Factors of 32. That is the prime factor of 32 I have got. In the same way, prime factors of 12 I have got, that is 2, 2 and 3. That also I have written. This is the first step which I have done. Now the second step. You can see in the second one, use one factor from every common. Okay, use one factor from every common. There will be common between them. One factor only you have to use. Between the common means, like suppose you can see 2 and 2 is common, so one I have taken. Like see, 2 and 2 is common, so 1, 2 I have taken. 2 and 2 is common, 1, 2 I have taken. This and the uncommon ones, these are uncommon ones, so that I have taken. Okay, this much. That is only it is written. Only one factor from a vertical pair, means whatever the pairs are, you are getting the common one. From that only one you will pick up. Okay, and the uncommon ones also you will write it. After this much, just see, this we have written, the common one, we will multiply it. Okay, 2 into 2. See, don't get confused. This means what is this written? Don't get confused. See, the numbers, the common ones which we have taken out and the uncommon ones which we have taken out, means after doing the prime factorization, that only I have multiplied. Here the space was not there, that is the upside I have done. 2 into 2 is 4, then 4 into 2 is 8, then 8 into 2 is 16, 16 into 2 is 32, and 32 into 3, okay, is 96. So what is the LCM of 12 and 32? 96 is the LCM of 12 and 32. In the same way, just see, LCM of 28 and 35. In the same way I have done. I have just written the factors of 28, like 4 and 7 is the factor. In the same way, now 7 cannot be divided further. It is the least number because only two factors are there, 1 and 7. No other are there. But 4 is having more than two factors. So that I will divide. Okay. When I will divide 4, then I will get 2 and 2. In the same way, 35 I will divide. So 5 and 7 I will get the factor of 35. 5 and 7 is already in its least form. No need to do the further division to make it much more least because only two factors are there. 5 is also having two factors and 7 is also having two factors. That we will write. After writing this much, I will write all the numbers like 7, 2 and 2. These are the prime numbers I have got, prime factors. That I will write. 5 and 7, that also I will write. Now choose the common between them. So which one is the common between them? 7 is the common, so that 7 I will take and this 2, 2 and 5 also I will take. What is the reason? Match the factor vertically, leave the space in no match. Okay, where there is no match, leave their space. Okay, where there's like 2 and 2, there are no match, so that space we will leave. 5 is no match, we will leave that space. 7 and 7 is matching, so 7 and 7 we will write one after another. Means if 7 we are writing, just below that downside also 7 we will write. After doing this much, you can see 2, 2 in 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. This is the number, this is the common number which we have got in 28 and 35. Okay, this is the common number which we have got in 28, sorry, yes, 28 and 35, that I have written by doing the prime factorization. After doing this much, you can see this I have done. Now 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 5, 20, that only it is written. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 5, 20, 5 into 7. Okay, that only. Yes, like 2 into 2 it is written, that is 4. Okay, now 4 into 5, that is 20. Okay, and then 20 into 7, that is why I am getting this. This is not 20 into 7, my dear. Okay, then you will get 140. That is the LCM of 28 and 35. These all we have discussed about the prime factorization of, means how we can find out the LCM by doing the prime factorization. Here you can see when the greatest number which is which divides is asked, find the HCM. When the greatest number is asked, then we used to find the HCM. When the least number is divisible is asked, okay, least number which is divisible. Here two things are written, my dear, don't get confused. Greatest number which divides, whereas the least number is which is divisible. Okay, then when the greatest number which divides is asked, then that is HCM. When the least number which divisible is asked, that is LCM. So some of the word problems are also here, which I am going to discuss with you. Like you can see, what is the question? Question is written, what is the least number of children who may be arranged in rows of 12, 14 or 16 in each? Okay, so what we have done? We have written all the numbers. Which method we are following here? We are following the continuous division method. Okay, so what we are doing? We have written all the numbers. Then the least even number, the least even prime number I have taken, that is 2, and with that I have divided all, because it all was divisible by 2. When I have divided it, then I have got 6, 7 and 8. Now here is 7 is not divisible, but 6 and 8 is again divisible by 2. So again I will divide 6 and 8 by 2. Okay, and this process will continue till the last, when you are not getting the question as 1. When you will get the question as 1, at that time it is over. Okay, so till that time you will continue your process. Now you can see, again I am dividing 6 and 8 with 2, then I am getting 6 divided by 2, 6 divisible by 2. When I am dividing 6 by 2, then I am getting 3. In the same way, when I am dividing 8 by 2, then I am getting 4. And 7 is not divisible by 2, so no need to touch that, we will write like that only. Same as it is, we just copy it. Then again we will see, is any number which is divisible. I think there is no common number with which we can divide 3, 7 and 4. Okay, there is no common number. You can leave here also, no problem. You can leave here also, no problem. You want to go further, then you have to divide 4 first. Here it is being divided by 2. Then I have got 2. Then here 3 and 7 I have written as it is. Again I have divided by 2. Then I have got 1. Then 3 I have divided by 3. Then I have got 1. In the same way 7. So in the last I have got 1, 1, 1. But if you will leave here also, na, you will get the same answer. There is no problem. After that, as you can see, okay, the numbers which you have got, the division which you have done, like 2, 2, 2, 2, 3 and 7. You will write the numbers properly, like 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, and the numbers you will, whatever number you have got, that all you will write. You multiply it, okay? You multiply it. When you will multiply, you will get the answer as 336. Last statement will be, therefore, 336 is the least number of children who may be arranged in the row 12, 13, 12, 14, and 16 in each. Within each row, maybe 336 students can be arranged, not more than that. Okay? One more question I am having. In the same way, as we are seeing this, you can see 4 bells in a church. There is a church, in that church 4 bells are there. Tall at an interval of 6, 7, 8, and 9. Tall means, what do you mean by tall? Tall means when we used to, what you used to say, bang it on or like this. Okay, when we used to tall it at the interval, every time that when if your clock is there at home, you used to see that after the interval of every 15 minutes, it used to toll. Okay, so that only. So it used to toll between the interval of 6, 7, 8, and 9. Like it is in seconds respectively, means every this time it used to. After how much time will they all toll together again? Means after how much time again they all will toll together? In this much second it is given. After this, in how much second again it will toll? So you will do the LCM like this. Okay, again the same way, 6, 7, 8, and 9 you will write. You divide it continuously till the last when you are not getting 1. Till that you will divide. After that, you can see 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 2, and 7 to the power 1. Why it is written? Don't get confused. How many times 2 is there? 1, 2, 3 times is there, so that is why 2 to the power 3 is written. How many times 3 is there? 2 times, that is why 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 2 is written. How many times 7 is there? Only 1. That is why 1 is written. Don't get confused. After this much, okay, what it is written? After doing that, you will multiply this. Okay, when you will multiply, you will get the answer as 504 seconds. That 504 seconds, okay, how many, see, 1 minute equals to how many seconds? 60 seconds. And there are how many seconds? 404 seconds. So you divide that 404 by 60, okay, so that you can get the exact number of seconds. So when I am dividing it, then exact number of minutes you will get, because it is given in seconds. 504 seconds you have got, and as we are knowing that 1 minute is having 60 seconds. So when I will divide it, then I will get 8 minutes. That 8 minute, okay, when I will divide that 8 minute and 24 seconds, because remainder which we have got, that will be taken as second, and the question which we have got, that will be taken as minute. So when I am dividing it, it will be divisible. When we will read the table of 60, 8 times we will get 480. 480 we will get. Okay, so 504 exactly is not divisible, but 480 can come in the table of 60. So that 480 you will write just below 540, and 8 you will write as a question upside, and 24 you will get as a remainder. This much. The remainder will become the second, the question will become the minute. Okay, then you will write the 4 bell in the church will toll together again after 504 seconds. That is approximately, that is the time which you have got. Okay, that is 504 seconds you will say. Then maybe some will get confused. 504 seconds. So we can say it like this, that 8 minutes and 24 seconds. Okay, it will again toll in 8 minutes and 24 seconds. See, practice the LCM nicely, and whatever the query problem you will face, you can come with that in the online classes. We will discuss together. But I hope you will not face any problem, because already I have explained, and you have gone through it, and you have solved also some of the questions. So I think you will not face, but still you can come. That is all, my dear. Thank you, everyone. I hope you will watch the video nicely, and whatever the query and problem you will face, you will come with that. We will solve it together. That is all, everyone. Thank you, everyone.